Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to do your person current feelings, and this reading is for Sagittarius fire sign, and this reading is for remaining month of April. So your person current feelings towards you, Sagittarius. Judgment, Knight of Cups, Five of Cups. Definitely in past your person feeling very sad, or right now he is feeling very sad due to the Three of Cups which is fell here, but he didn't see the cups which are still there. Definitely he want to come towards you, Sagittarius, your person, Knight of Cups. It is slow moving but stable. Definitely judgment is here. I think children are involved. I think reconciliation will happen. Definitely your person want to come towards you and reconcile with you their current feelings towards you, Sagittarius. So their intentions towards you. So intentions means they are going to take action or not, but depend upon their situation. So their intentions towards you, Sagittarius, for the remaining month April. Three of Pentacles, Six of Swords, Ace of Cups. Wow, definitely your person want to work on this relationship. Definitely when you both are working on this relationship, it is going to next level. Definitely Six of Swords, I think it is long distance relationship. You both living in different cities or different countries. Ace of Cups, definitely he loves you so much, he want to come towards you and offer this Ace of Cup love to you. Definitely, so definitely he want to come towards you and to want to work on this relationship. Definitely, so he want to reconcile with you. So their intentions towards you. So under the deck, Two of Cups, definitely lot of love is there. You both love each other equally. Eight of Swords, let's pull some cards from universe. Page of Cups, Two of Swords, Four of Swords. Yes, I think you or your person may be at some meditation states due to crossroads. Two of Swords, you may be at some crossroads, or your person may be at some crossroads, and your person may be stuck. That's why he is undergo some meditation state right now. Page of Cups, message is coming in your way. Definitely, so yes, under the deck, Hierophant, definitely reconciliation will happen. So maybe your person may be right now at some crossroads, he will make decision. Definitely, sorry guys. So definitely reconciliation will happen. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel. Please do support me guys. Bye.